Today I, Tamanna, along with my friends from St. John the Brito Church, Mayapuri, are standing before you to present a skit on the topic Miracles of Jesus, titled as Raising of Jairus' Daughter. Today we are going to learn more about Jesus. The more you know about Jesus, the better you can answer his question. Who do you say I am? Today Jesus will meet a father whose daughter is very sick. If you were very sick, your mother or father would be concerned for you. One day, today, do for him. The father, whose name was Jairus, wants Jesus to come to his house to touch his daughter and heal her.
No one can serve two masters for slavery. Hate the one and love the other. You cannot serve God and wealth.
Look, Matthew, the tax collector is coming.
Why are you here? You are a sinner, tax collector.
Accept this offering from me.
One day I'll come to your house and eat with you.
Why does your master eat with tax collectors and sinners?
Those who are well and do not need a physician, but those who are sick, go and learn what it means. I desire mercy, not sacrifice, for I have come not for the righteous, but for the sinners. Come, Matthew, let's go. Don't be afraid. Come, let's go.
Jesus follows the Father. A large crowd of people go along with them. All this time, the father, Jairus, had been waiting patiently. Suddenly, one of the servants runs up and tells him that the daughter has died.
What happened?
Daughter is dead.
Be not afraid, only believe that she will be saved.
Jesus tells the crowd to go home. Only Jairus, Peter, James, and John are to go to Jairus' house with him. When they arrive, another large crowd of people are there, and they are crying and wailing because they are sad that the girl is dead.
Why is everyone crying? The girl is not dead, but she's asleep.
When Jesus said that she was not dead, the crowd laughed at him and mocked him. Jesus would not let any of the crowd go into the house. Only Jairus, his wife, Peter, James, and John.
What is he going to do? The girl is already dead.
Go away! Go away! Woman, Jairus, Peter, James, and John, come with me.
Upon entering the house, Jesus found the girl lying in her bed. He took her by the hand and said,
Young girl, I say to you, arise.
Immediately, the 12-year-old girl got up and walked. Everyone was astonished.
You, my Lord, my God, I shall praise the Lord all of my life.
Give her something to eat.
Look, the child was dead. She's alive. My Lord, my God, this is beyond belief. Let's celebrate.
Only he can do such type of wonders. My Lord, my God.
Blessed be the Lord of Israel, who does wonderful deeds.
Great is the Lord and greatly to be praised. His greatness is beyond understanding. One generation praises your deed to the next and proclaim your mighty works. They speak of your majestic glory, tell of your wonderful deeds. Thank you. All the participants were Jesus as William, crowd as Melroy Gomes and Rachel, disciples Anuj, Jayant and Soshin, thank you.